let you know just how much you mean to me. And after all the things we put each other through, and I would drive on to being with you. You get the point.
Better stay on that side of the street, motherfucker. I'll knock you out.